Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I will show you how to use the ordinary ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution 20% in vitamin F. And this is an anhydrous solution, meaning it is water-free. It contains an oil-soluble form of vitamin C, namely ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate. It's more stable and less irritating than other vitamin C forms like ascorbic acid. So it helps to fade skin discoloration, protects against free radicals, and promotes collagen synthesis, which means that it encourages the skin to create more of the protein that keeps it firm, thereby improving skin texture and tone. Additionally, it includes vitamin F, consisting of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which is helpful in supporting and maintaining the skin's natural hydration barrier. The formulation is also further enhanced with a mix of coconut derivatives, jojoba seed oil, and squalane. And these oils add extra benefits such as moisturization, skin conditioning, and smoothing, making it ideal for drier skin types but less suitable for oily, acne-prone skin. The formulation is also free from alcohol, fragrances, and essential oils. And you can use your vitamin C solution in both your morning and or evening skincare routine. Now that I have covered the benefits, I want to share with you one potential conflict, and then we're heading into the example morning and evening skincare routines to go over the order of application so that you'll achieve the best results. So there's one potential conflict, and that's with niacinamide products. When niacinamide and vitamin C products are used in high concentrations and applied together at the same time, they can theoretically form a complex called niacinamide ascorbate. This might reduce the individual efficacy and may cause temporary skin redness. So if you have such products at home, it's best to keep them in separate routines. This way you can get all the benefits without experiencing any sensitivities or irritation. Apart from that, you can theoretically use it with any other skincare product that The Ordinary offers. And for this, understanding the order of application is really important. And I now want to visualize this through my example skincare routines, which I have prepared for you in a PowerPoint for easy understanding. And examples I've created are great for helping to fade hyperpigmentation and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For the morning routine, start by cleansing your face with your favorite cleanser. After patting the skin dry, apply a water-based eye serum to target aging concerns around the eyes. Next, include another water-based face serum. In this example, I suggest using hyaluronic acid for skin plumping and long-lasting hydration, or alpha-butane with hyaluronic acid, helping to further fade pigmentation and adding hydration. Then apply the ordinary ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution and give it a minute or two to absorb. Finally, follow with sunscreen if you're planning to spend the day outdoors. Remember that sunscreen use is important, as the sun is the #1 reason for premature aging, which includes wrinkles and fine lines, but also dark spots, or generally speaking, sun-damaged skin. Now you can technically follow the same morning skincare routine in the evening, but without the sunscreen. However, for this purpose, I've created 2 additional evening skincare routines. One with exfoliating acids and the other one with a retinol or retinoid. Now they can theoretically be followed on alternate days if your skin tolerates it. So let's have a look. So the first evening skincare routine includes exfoliating acids, specifically AHAs like glycolic, lactic, and mandelic acid. Why these? Well, because they are most suitable for drier skin types. Using salicylic acid could unnecessarily dry out the skin, which is what we are trying to avoid. But then you would use the solution after your acid. Remember to give your acid a few minutes in between for pH balance and for optimal results. And you can stop right there or use ordinary natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid as a last step in case you feel the need for extra surface hydration. Then for the second evening skincare routine, this is where I've included a retinol or retinoid. In this case, you can technically use them in any order as they are both anhydrous solutions. Here I have the vitamin C before due to some concerns about penetration, but with these oil derivatives it's likely not an issue, so test it out and see how it goes. And then again, the last step could be the ordinary natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid. Remember that the slides you just saw can be downloaded from the description box below this video. Now that we've covered this, let's move on to the application. And the first step is always cleansing the face to effectively remove excess oil, dirt, and sweat from the skin so that the serums can absorb better. Now in this example, I'm using the ordinary glycolipid cream cleanser, which is ideal for dry to normal skin types, but remember to adjust it to your skin type and needs. And before we're going to apply it to the face, we need to make sure that our hands are clean to avoid the transfer of bacteria and other impurities to the skin. So let's do this. Begin by wetting your hands with clean running water. Then take a bit of your favorite soap, lather it between your hands, and scrub your hands for a minimum of 20 seconds, ensuring coverage between fingers and under nails. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Finally, take a clean towel and pat dry. Then wet your face with warm water. Next, dispense a small amount of the cleanser onto the palm of your hand or fingers. Rub it between your hands. Then apply it evenly over your face and neck and massage for about 15 to 30 seconds. Rinse well with warm water. If you're at the sink, you can use a soft, clean microfiber washcloth as a helper. Wet the washcloth. Squeeze it out so that it's damp. Then swipe it all over the face to help remove any remaining impurities of your cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. If you've used a washcloth, then rinse again several times, making sure your face is clean. Lastly, pat the skin dry with a clean towel. After cleansing and patting the skin dry, you can immediately apply the ordinary ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution 20% in vitamin F. Alternatively, you may want to include a water-based eye and/or face serum or another anhydrous solution as suggested in my example skincare routines. In this example, I will use the alpha-butane with hyaluronic acid to help fade dark spots and provide long-lasting hydration. To use the ordinary alpha-butane, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of serum onto your palm or fingertips. Rub hands or fingertips together to distribute the serum. Then apply it evenly over your entire face, avoiding the eyelids, eye contour and lips. You can include the neck if desired. Then leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. Give the serum a moment to absorb into the skin, and then you can move on to the application of the ordinary ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution 20% in vitamin F. To use the ordinary vitamin C solution, dispense about 3 to 5 drops onto your palm or fingertips. Rub your hands or fingertips together to distribute the serum. Then apply it evenly over your entire face, avoiding the eyelids, eye contour and lips. And you can include the neck if desired. Leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. You can technically stop right here. However, for drier skin types, I recommend using the ordinary natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid as a final step to provide extra surface hydration. To use the moisturizer, dispense a pea to a bean-sized amount of moisturizer onto your fingertips. Rub the fingertips of both hands together. Then massage it all over your face and neck, or only onto the desired areas. And in my case, it would be my cheeks, chin and neck. Leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. That's what I want to share with you, and I hope that you found the information helpful and that you could learn something new. Thanks so much for watching and happy skin caring.